What is up? And welcome back to another video. And today, it's a cat vlog. Hey Tanner. Hi boy. Where you going? Where you going, kid? Where you going? Into the garage? Oh, there's Jasper. Oh, Axel. What you doing, boy? Come here. Come here, boy. What you doing? Don't hiss at me. Oh my God, he's getting angry. He just got angry as crap, man. It's Jasper. Where'd you go, Jasper? Yo, I'm just showing you guys, making my cats mad today. Come on. Get it. Tanner. Good boy. Axel. Oh God, he just got freaked out by that thing. Look at this. Cat, dog, cat, dog. He got so angry right there. I don't think he's gonna let me. Let me pick you up. Happy kitty. Okay, guys, I got him. If y'all can't see, take him up to the deck. Good boy. I got him, guys. You're a heavy cat. Can you even hear that? Good boy. Let's go down here. Oh, God. Oh no. Do not. Bad. Oh! He just nailed me in the wing. Obstacle course. Up here. Oh. Dog crap. Oh my God. It's a trap. Go. Go, go. It was everywhere, guys. Dog poop. So don't go over there. Well, you guys can't go over there because it's my freaking house. Unless you know me. I'll let you. And I'll let you. Let's go. Huh, huh. Wah-ah-ah. 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 Let's go, kiddies. Let's go cat hunting. It's almost nighttime, guys. So, yeah. Another vlog for today. Let's go. So, that's on camera. Got that on camera. Go, go. He saw me. I got him on camera. Exposed. That was kind of funny. Pull up to my Lamborghini. Stop up. No. Yo, sorry about you can't see my face today. guys, in my video, guys, I didn't really want to put my face in it because I was kind of making a vlog, I was not making this is not a summer vlog. The name of the title, guys, will be cat vlog because I pretty much messed with my cats. Pretty dang funny. Y'all can agree with that. That was funny. It was super funny, actually. Yo, here's Carter's house. Hopefully that dog can't jump that fence. Yo, I'm a big dog. Actually, the title will be dogs and cats, but come on, doggies. Doggo, doggo. Yo, 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 doggo, shut up. Yeah, wow. Shut up. Get out of there. Walk through an alleyway. This was an alleyway. Yo, it is summer still. Kind of. Be going back to school like August 16th. Ready for SummerSlam, guys? Actually, Money in the Bank is this Sunday. Should I make my predictions? Leave that down in the comment section below. And I might do that. Yo, guys. I'm going to take you on down to the nearest creek. I'm sorry, guys. Unfortunately, no creeks by. There's one. But I don't really feel like going over to it. So there is a creek by. I'm just too lazy to walk over by it. I'm walking all around town, though. And whatnot. Cause the rock says, I'm gonna kick your candy. I'm not gonna say it, though. I said, But, roll up in. YOLO. What? Nothing.